This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Luann Brennan. This golf front home offers a lovely open living area with views of number 3 Fairway on Druid Hills Golf Course. The living room has wood beams and offers 2 sliding doors to the large deck. The kitchen with beautiful cabinets and lots of counter space along with a breakfast bar is open to the living and dining area as well, and a small sitting area with access to the deck. The bedrooms are all good size and have carpet. Both full baths have tile flooring and a tub/shower combo. For additional living space, this home offers a huge 3-season room with loads of windows overlooking the fairway on number 3 hole of Druid, and has a sunken hot tub for your relaxation. With the exception of the bedrooms, bathrooms, and living room, there is hardwood flooring throughout. Oversized 2-car garage for your stuff. For more information